Anyway, here's the deal. You have all my powers.
Here's the deal. You will give Chris one last shot.
Okay, here's the deal, man. I cannot keep sugarcoating this for you.
All right, here's the deal. I lose with your jury, you do the explaining.
Here's the deal, man. I got a dark side.
Here's the deal. I was in a situation, gallivanting through the forest.
Okay, here's the deal. I got no problem being on a road with you, but I ain't no butler.
Here's the deal. If and only if you find all the evidence to back this up, I'll do it. I'll take it on.
Here's the deal. Release me and drop all charges by 6 a.m.
All right, here's the deal. You guys sing my songs, you get to sleep here.
Here's the deal, Craig. Either you get us what we want, or I blow up brains all over you right now.
So here's the deal. How would you like to be my pretend children for one afternoon?
Here's the deal. You gotta stop with the stealing.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Here's the deal. Holy Cross Junior College is nearby. I can get you one semester there.
Here's the deal, Frank. You're gonna walk out that front door and give yourself up. You have my word, no one will shoot you.
So here's the deal. I will take off one item of clothing for every decision you make.
Okay. You have my attention, young lady.
Here's the dealio. Things have been so lonely since my wife, Debbie, passed on.